Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get larger text on your iPhone. So if it's a little bit difficult to read and you got a little bit larger phone, well, increase the text size. So let's go to Settings. Then scroll on down until we get to Accessibilities. Select this. Then look for Display and Text Size. Then under here, we have two options for bold text and then larger text. And we have the slider on the bottom. So we can go to the left. This is very small text and it's difficult to read. Or we have very large text, which is very easy to read. So somewhere in the middle, for me, is fine. So right about there, that's good. We can back out now. And this is larger than it was before. So I might reduce it a little bit. So let's go to about the middle. And then this should be good, maybe right about there. But just come to this option and test it out for yourself and see what text size is best for you. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.